today we're reading 4X comics, because why not? Hello friends, today I have kidnapped my buddy X to see how long he can stay on fire. Wait, what? Okay then, burn! Ready X, I guess. Okay then, burn! X can last 1 milliseconds while on a blaze. Why would you do this? Next comic. Hey guys, I'm 4. Die 2. And I am X. What? Hey 4, hey X. Yeah, he's gone. That was me. Hey 4. What? Draws 2. Town 4. Sorry for leaving you for so long, buddy. Click. Did you just handcuff us together? Okay, so I found this one and I just had to read it. X, you should have kept the seatbelts up. I'm trying to get out of here. Oh, come on, let me eat my last cheesecake. Do you think they'll be alright? Definitely. Be prepared. I am about to pat your head. I am ready. Choked gurgle sound. Very grossful. Thanks. Squish, splat. The blurf. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is one thing I need. I don't care about